Choosing the right dental filling, exploring options for long-term success. If you are looking for dental fillings, there are various options to select from. The type of filling that you pick can have an enormous effect on the lifespan as well as the overall effectiveness of the dental restoration. In this clip, we'll explore the many options regarding dental fillings as well as review the important factors to think about in making your decision. It is first and foremost crucial to be aware of the diverse kinds of dental fillings you can get. Most commonly used fillings comprise amalgams, composite resin, ceramic, and gold. Each filling type has unique advantages and disadvantages. Therefore, it's crucial to take into consideration your own preferences and requirements in choosing the right filling materials. Amalgam fillings, also referred to as silver fillings, are considered to be one of the oldest and resistant types of fillings. They're made up of the combination of various metals comprising silver, tin, mercury, and copper. The amalgam fillings are noted for their toughness and long-lasting properties and are ideal for the restoration of teeth under intense pressure during chewing. Some patients might be worried about amalgam fillings' mercury content, and it's crucial to discuss potential risk to your dentist. Fillings made of composite resin are a preferred choice to restore dental work. The fillings comprise the combination of glass and plastic and are a more aesthetic option than amalgam fillings. The composite resin fillings are blended in color to complement the natural hue of your teeth. They can be made to blend in, rendering the fillings virtually undetectable. Although composite resin fillings might not be as strong as amalgam fillings, but they still can provide lasting effects if they are taken care of. Gold fillings can be a great choice to restore your teeth. The fillings made of the combination of gold and different metals such as silver and copper. The gold fillings are exceptionally sturdy and will last long if they are properly maintained. But they're higher priced than the other types of fillings. As such, they are not the ideal choice for patients with a limited budget. Ceramic fillings, also referred to as porcelain fillings, are another option that looks attractive to restore your teeth. The fillings are the combination of porcelain with different materials, making an extremely durable and natural choice for replacing teeth. Ceramic fillings are not susceptible to staining and are color matched so that they blend into the natural hue of the teeth. Even though ceramic fillings can be higher priced than other types of fillings, but they give excellent results over the long term if kept in good condition. In selecting a dental filling, you must think about your own wants and needs. The factors to think about when choosing the right filling material are dimensions and location of the dental cavity and the amount of teeth that are chewed and the budget you have set. Your dentist can assist you to decide on the right filling to suit your needs as well as provide details on the benefits and drawbacks of every option. Selecting the correct dental filling is vital to the long-term success of your dental well-being. If you take a look at the different kinds of fillings that are available, as well as discussing your personal preferences with your dentist, you'll be able to make an educated decision that provides lasting positive results. Whichever option you pick, or composite resins or gold fillings, it's important to focus on your oral health and pick a filling one that will meet your specific needs.